welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about how we are going through the wait. We need to be patient for our altcoins specifically, as well as the overall Bitcoin price. We need to be patient, guys, and I'm going to tell you why. So right now we are at 8,520 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $8,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now we are consolidating to the slight downside right now. We are beneath my key level of $28,200, and I'll explain to you why that is such an important level shortly. But, all in all, we are still consolidating. We have time on our side. Bitcoin dominance is low. Would like to see this curl up a little bit, maybe get us to that 48% before the Bitcoin halving. Maybe even more. Maybe even more. It really depends on if we hear any drastic data from the Federal Reserve, or so I should say, very very hawkish data based on the banks. I think if the Fed is going to be raising rates more, and the banks are going to feel under pressure, I think there's a good chance that we start to see money, a lot of liquidity flow into Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin dominance level shoot up quite quickly. Maybe even break the 50% mark, leading into the Bitcoin halving. We'll have to see. I think that a lot of that is really reliant on the Federal Reserve and what they have to say when they come out with their data. But let's take a look at CRO Coin a little bit here, because guys, we are we are pegged. We are pegged to 0.0689 cents, and we are stuck here right now. It is incredible. And honestly, guys, this is the accumulation zone. I know you're gonna say, Blacksea, you're a broken record. Every day we look at this chart and you say this, but really, when you look at this, this is the accumulation zone. We may come below this 0.0689 cent level. We may trade between 5.5 cents. That's a great accumulation zone. We may come up here between the 10 cents and the 0.0689 cents. But guys, all in all, this channel here, we got time. We have time on our side. You need to be patient. We're just waiting here. We're waiting. It's a waiting game. You accumulate when no one's around, and then you get rewarded when everybody comes to town. It's as simple as that. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, because this is the key levels we need to be looking at. So here over on the daily, you see we are beneath this $28,200 price level. We are getting daily candle closes below this level here. This is important. This is important. I really believe that if we continue these daily candle closes here, we are going to be headed to the downside a little bit. I think we're going to test this 26,300, and I wouldn't be surprised if we reach the 25,000 in the beginning of May, maybe around May 5th-ish, around that time frame. I think that there's a very, very high likelihood that we have a move like that, because when we start peeling over here, unless we start to get some green candles that immediately are breaking above this $28,200 price level, that's really the only invalidation here, is some big moves back into this channel, and some big moves, some daily candle closes leading it to 32,000. Let's take a look over the weekly, because we do have a red weekly candle right here, guys. And this is what I'm saying, on the time frame, on the higher term time frames, I am seeing some bearish retracement here. I am not anything ridiculous, but I do. My target is the $25,000 price range. I will not be surprised if we come down and tap that. But as of right now, we're going to have to pay close attention to this for the daily candles to be. If they're going to continue to close below 28,200, this momentum on the higher term time frame will come down. And like I said, I expect in early May. It really goes hand in hand with the sell in May and walk away. There's a good chance of that happening, especially with the traditional market. So on the traditional market, we are also starting to curl over just a little bit on the S&P 500. We're looking at the daily here. It's not anything significant, not anything to really stress about as of right now. But if these daily candle closes keep closing red here on the S&P 500, then we're going to have to talk about it. I think that there's a good chance that this aligns with where Bitcoin is, and we may find ourselves coming down here. We may find ourselves coming down to this resistance level, or I should say support level, once a long-term resistance level for over a year, guys. Pretty incredible, since 2022. Pretty incredible to see that. But if we do break down to this support There will probably be significant moves in the crypto market as well. And I do think that we are due for a little bit of a curling over, a couple red weeks potentially for the S&P 500. But like I said, a lot of this is really, really dependent on the Federal Reserve's data that they have to release. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on that, guys. But all in all here, like I've been saying, we're waiting. This is a waiting game. You should be accumulating right here, guys. You should be accumulating. Not financial advice. This is just what I'm personally doing. But this channel right here between the 19,500 and I would say go to say 45,000, this channel right here, you know, this is an accumulation zone. No one buy when no one's around, because when people come, that's going to be when you're going to be heavily rewarded. When you're buying when nobody else is around, when you're accumulating in the accumulation zone and you're not buying into the FOMO. When the other people are FOMOing in, that's when you want to be selling, guys. So let's just say that we come here, guys, and we are moving up, moving up, moving up, and all of a sudden we start taking some big moves right after the Bitcoin halving to say $60,000 Bitcoin. Guys, don't be buying $60,000 Bitcoin unless it's further down the road. Don't be missing out on this accumulation zone where we are right now. You're going to be rewarded. The people in the bear market gets rewarded. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. All you have to do is go below this video, click the join button, and you get access to our custom emojis and our custom loyalty badges, which you can use during our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, as well as you get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, as well as a more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. And on top of that, you get 10 additional entries each month you are a member at winning this loaded line NFT, which is valued about $2,500, which we're giving away at 25,000 subscribers. So that's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.